Hi, welcome to this series of tutorial on Jira. Navigate to the board in your next-gen project. Usually, your board reflects your team's process, tracking the status of work. It makes its way through your team's process. Your project board displays your team's work as cards that can move between columns. In Jira software, cards and tasks are represented as issues. The columns on your board represent the status of the task. This visual representation of your team's work help you discuss and track the progress of your project from the start to finish. In next-gen Jira software projects, your board comes with three default status. Each status is associated with a column position on the board. To do associated with the leftmost column on the board. In progress, done associated with the rightmost column on the board. Cards in the leftmost column on your board are always categorized as to do, meaning no progress has started on carrying out this task. Issues in the column will have the to do status. Cards in the rightmost column of your board are always categorized as resolved, meaning all your work has been completed and the task has been carried out. Issues in this column will have the done status. Workflows represent the sequential path an issue takes from creation to completion. A basic workflow might be open, in progress, done, and many more. Workflows can be as simple or complex with conditions, rules, etc. The most important part about setting up your board is getting the columns right. Ideally, your board should reflect the way your team works. To add a new status column, click the plus create column button beside the rightmost column. In this case, we will select review. Drag and drop the new status column to incorporate it into your workflow. Rearrange columns so that the board accurately reflects your team's progress. To rearrange your columns, drag and drop columns heading. You can limit the amount of work you allow in anyone in the column. Hover over the columns heading and select Move. Set column limit. To delete a status column, hover over the column's heading and select More, then click Delete. If you delete a column that contains the issues, you can select where to move those issues. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.